Yorker from Rizal, and what a price gap. Now there's a man underneath it, and it's all over for Umuranga. Shahid Afridi is here. Not even one. In business straight away. Over the boundary for six.
Oh, that's a good move. That's a really good move.
Now he's gone over cover, and that's a monster. Now that's a long way up. Fielder will just watch it sail over. Now over longer. There he goes. That's the biggest of them all. There, that's in his own. And he can hit it safely for four. He was covered with over him. He's connected this one, and it is somewhere in the stands. Just keep a whole box full of balls. There it goes. That's the shot we were talking about. Fine leg was inside the circle. Afridi gets to a 50 from just 18 balls. It's a joint second passes, and he's equal his own record. It's gone to short cover. He drops it.
They cannot believe it. Look at the reaction.
Shot. That is a tremendous shot because it's also a very clever shot. Now he's going to struggle. It is a directed for Afridi. He was struggling to get there. Should he have taken it? They are celebrating the Bangladeshis like they won a cricket match. There's still time left. There's so much drama in it. I think he's gone. He's gone by 6 inches, Afridi. Now he goes in with the shot, and he clears the boundary. Hang on, there's life beyond Shahid Afridi in this game. Fawad Alam is coming to the party here. Right, he's connected with this one, and he's deposited that in the stand as well. What a shot from Fawad Alam, and Pakistan are now sauntering home here. And he will go over cover. Easily done by Umar Akmal. What a fine player he is. Now at the non-striker, then there's trouble. What is happening here, Pakistan? They put Umar Akmal back in strike, but there is a run out. And he finds the gap on the onside. And then we good enough. Umar Akmal has won the game for Pakistan. Well played. This is now the biggest run chase in all of Pakistan's history in one day.